Today we're making something a little different than usual, my cream cheese and chutney pasta. This dish is a fusion of three flavors I love. Pasta, which of course originated in Italy, cream cheese, which is oh so very North American and was invented in New York, and of course, chutney, the ultimate desi condiment. I know chutney and cream cheese sounds like a strange combination, but it's a flavor bomb and it's so delicious, trust me. Start by boiling and draining the pasta and toss with a little olive oil. Saute a little bell pepper, onion, and garlic in oil, add in the cream cheese and melt it down. And next, the hero ingredient, chutney. I'm using 1 mint and 1 cilantro cube from Deep Foods. I love these chutneys, but if you want to use a different one or a homemade version, I've included exact amounts in the caption. Mix everything together, give it a squeeze of lemon, toss the pasta back in, and finish with another drizzle of good extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Enjoy!